Hello everyone and welcome to Fun Toyland. We have Peppa Pig's house playset to open today. And I have my little helper here. And he is super excited about opening this toy. Are you ready, little helper?
Yeah.
It has Peppa, George, and Susie Sheep. Let's open it. Ouch. You want to help me pull it, little helper? Pull it, pull it, pull it. There you go. Let's get the playhouse out. Oh! Okay, so here is our playhouse set. Let's put the handle on. Where's the red handle? I think the red handle goes over here. There we go. Okay, so everyone, here is our house right here. And do you want to fill this room in first?
Yeah.
Okay, what goes there?
Here.
Yeah, what is that called?
A bathtub.
It's a bathtub. Very good. And what's this? What's this right here? Little helper.
Oh, a toilet.
Toilet. Yes, that's right. That's Susie Sheep. Oh, well, let's show the camera. Let's show the camera. Here is Susie Sheep. It's Susie Sheep. Then who's this?
Peppa.
It's Peppa Pig. And then who do we have here?
George.
George. Well, hello, George. Hello, Peppa. Okay, you want to hold on to George and Peppa? So we have our bathtub right here, right? And then what else goes next to the bathtub? Oh, you want to put Susie Sheep in the bathtub? Well, we have to put the washing machine right there. Oh, wait, what goes into this room? It was the bed, right? Wait, let's put the bed in first before let's move Peppa over. Let's put what is this kind of bed called? It's a bunk bed.
Yeah. And this is a ladder.
It's a ladder? It's a ladder. That's how they get up into their bed, right?
No, Peppa.
Yeah. No, look. It hooks on to this thing here. See? What is this right here? This looks like it's the refrigerator with all of the food for the pig family. Let's put the refrigerator right here. And then we have, this is a sink. Wonder if the door opens. No, the door doesn't open. The sink goes right here. And then we have a stove with some food in the oven for the pig family. So let's put that right here.
Mommy.
Yes. We have a sofa, couch. Yeah. And then we have a TV. So that's their living room. It goes right in here.
What?
All right. And then this is their dinner table. Thank you for watching. Did you have fun? Please like, comment, and share this video. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to Fun Toyland to watch more fun videos like the ones you see here. If you are on a computer or tablet, you can click on the screen to choose the video to watch, or you can click the little eye at the top of the screen to choose a video from the drop-down menu. See you in the next video, everyone!